This is a 4-bedroom plus 2-bedroom basement apartment house detached in the center of Mississauga. You got the Square One buildings right over there if you can see the skyline. So you're close to the 403 and close to everything that Mississauga has to offer, right at the corner of 403 and Mavis, or 403 in Eglinton. You can also see the highway there. So yes, the highway is close, but honestly, you can't really hear much of the sound. Check this out, what a beautiful home. They've upgraded the garage doors. You got lots of parking, so you can put 2 cars here. There's 2 in the garage. You could even stick 1 car here for parking. And then if you are renting the basement, there's no shortage of parking, as you can see. So let's head inside now. I know 1.375 is not actually cheap, but when you rent the basement out, your mortgage payment can be cut by about $1,800, which can make this as expensive on a monthly basis as maybe a condo. So that's definitely a plus to have a rental basement apartment. Now, right as you enter, you got your spiral staircase that goes up. I grew up in a house with the same type of staircase, so it's bringing back a lot of memories. This is your family room. So when you walk in, you actually go upstairs for the family room. So let's start there. Big family room area. You got a gas burning fireplace. I love the gas burning fireplaces. It makes that snap, crackle, and pop sound. Let's check it out. It looks like they have been using it, so that is pretty good. Now, you don't find many homes with the upper level family room where it's like completely separate from the rest of the house. So it's good if you have kids running around, or if you have a big family, you kind of separate what your family is doing, or when you have a family gathering, the kids play in this room, everybody else down there. I'll show you the rest of it so you kind of get a better idea. This is your main level laundry room. And then you even have a bedroom or a den or an office on the main level. They turned it into a bedroom, but I mean, you could use it for whatever you really need. And then you got a pretty nice long living and dining area. This is pretty long. I want to show you guys the backyard. You got a bay window here, you got the shed, you got a deck. They even got a barbecue out there. Look at the size of this. Pretty long here. So let's go into the kitchen. It's an eat-in kitchen. So you got a big area here for your dining room. You got your sliding doors straight out to the deck. And then the kitchen has been completely renovated. So you got kind of like new countertops, new cabinets, stainless steel appliances. Let me show you on this side. You got the fridge and a huge pantry cabinet on this side as well. So no shortage of space. You even have your dishwasher here. They use laminate tiles, I guess, for the backsplash. It matches the decor. So if you have a big family, honestly, this would work for you. I just want to show you guys, like, the entrance to the family room is on this side, right there. Then you have the living and dining on this side. You have your kitchen over there, and behind me is your den. There is a powder room here. You can see the powder room right there. So, I mean, for Mississauga so far, this is a pretty good price for what you're getting. Let's check out the 4 bedrooms upstairs. All right, so let's just show you the view here. So 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, you got your main washroom, 3 bedroom, and 4 bedroom. So let's start with the smaller room here. Pretty good, decent. They've done new floors throughout this house. Here's the 2nd bedroom, bigger size. Then you have your washroom right here. They've redone the washrooms as well, new tiles, new vanity, new toilet. And then you have your 3rd bedroom over here. And then, let's turn the light on here. You got a, what is this? This is a linen closet. Sorry, it took me a while to figure that one out. Lots of space in this linen closet. And now, this is the primary room. So you could put a king here if you needed. Right now that's a queen, I believe. And then you have your ensuite bathroom, which they've also renovated. Tiles, again, same thing, new tiles, new vanity. Check out the shower with the gold accents in the tiles. And then the gold shower head, the gold shower handle. Look at that, I don't know. It's pretty cool. Doesn't look too bad. And then this would be your walk-in closet here. Pretty big walk-in closet, for sure. Now, my favorite part about this house is that rental income. You can never have enough rental income. I think nowadays it always helps with your mortgage payments. This is listed at 1.375, so the mortgage payments would be, you know, substantially high, so relatively speaking. So with the basement apartment, you get good rental income. That is your separate entrance over there, all right? So you always need a separate entrance if you're gonna have rental income. So now we're in the basement. This is rentable. You have just your electrical room over there. This is kind of like your open living and dining area. Here is where you can put your laundry. They don't actually have the laundry here right now, but you can see they have the outlet there. And then this is a bedroom. One bedroom here, another bedroom on this side. So 2 bedrooms of this size. You can probably rent this for about $1,800 or so pretty easily. This is your furnace room, and then your washroom, which has also been renovated in this place. You can see that it's a tub, not a stand-up shower. So this is the kitchen, full-size appliances. You got the built-in microwave there. Full-size fridge. Not so much cabinet space, but I mean, it is a basement apartment, so like, what do you expect? Not too much. They got a nice tiled backsplash, and this can be like your eat-in area, right? So kind of has everything you need for a basement apartment. Again, the 2 bedrooms here, one is here, and the other one is here. And then again, your living space. Pretty big living space. You could put like a whole level of the house actually, so there's no shortage of where you could put your furniture. So this is the back of the house. I'm on the deck right now. There is a barbecue there. I don't know if it's included, but you can even negotiate that if you want one. But I mean, I'm just showing you the possibilities are good here. And then you even have an awning. So if it's raining or it's too sunny, you could always open that awning out. And then they even got a shed, and still you have green space. Even though there is a deck, you still have a lot of green space here, right? So like, I mean, some people, they don't want a huge backyard because it's too much to maintain. So something like this is much easier for you to maintain. Now this is 1.375, Central Mississauga, Mavis and Eglinton, steps to 403, steps to Square One, steps to everything you really need, and not that far from Heartland Town Center either. So if you want to see more house tours like this, make sure you subscribe. If you have any comments or questions about this property, just drop a comment below. I will be sure to reply to all of them to give you guys as much information and insight as possible for the Mississauga real estate market.